Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit voice memos on iPhone. Now for us to edit voice memos, the first thing that we're going to do is basically look for the voice memos application. If you're not seeing it right away, what you can do is just scroll down and basically you can go ahead and type here memo or voice memos. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And let's go ahead and choose video or let's say for example, an audio that we want to record. So let's say click this one right here. You have edit recording. Now there are three things that we're going to do. The first thing is going to be trimming. So in this case scenario here, if you want to trim something like this long pause here, what you want to do is head over to this one right here and you have it trim. So click this one and you can see now this is like very long pause like at the end. So what I can do is just click this one right here and then start dragging that one until I now see like where I need. So say for example here, now I'm gonna go ahead and click the trim here. There you go. So if you want to do the beginning, you can do that as well. So from here, let's go ahead and end it around here. There you go. Click trim. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply. All right. Now, another thing, if say for example, like this part, you don't like this part right here, so you want to this part, you want to change it, what you can do is just go ahead and go there. There you go. And then you can go ahead and tap replace. Now, if you do that, what's going to happen is that you will be able to replace the next part with a new recording. So essentially, it's going to record another section. And then since you've chosen this as the starting point, meaning everything after this one will be deleted and will be replaced with a new recording that you have set. Now, the third thing that we can do is enhance this one. So if you want to do that, you can click this one right here and then you have here enhanced reporting. So just click that over there, click the check icon, or if you want to skip silence, you can do that as well. Adjust the playback speed. Those are some options that you can do. So I'm going to click this one. And then if you try to listen to this one, you should have a better audio compared to when you recorded at first. So that, everybody, is how you're going to edit voice memos on iPhone.